Congratulations for all the Kurdish people around the world. This is guitarist Mohin, Dr. Evil, Vega Double Dog.
Up right in the air, put it down for the father and swing your hair. Kurdistan is free now, let's make the voice. Nowruz is here, everybody make the noise. Hey Ghazali, Ghazali, come on close Ghazali, come on close, give me a kiss right here Ghazali. Speak another language but I'm in Kurdistan. Come on. Now here we cheer for the best homeland. My enemies beware cause my soldier's dangerous. You don't have the mind, I will leave you brainless. Speaking about my people, you would think I'm a liar. Mess with the bull, he will kick you higher. Escort them, I will say it to the breath leaves my body. Kurdistan is not for one and it's for everybody. All around the world loves me and my people. Now wait for me for the other sequel. To tell you, I'ma spend it by every moment without you, cause I'm an OG. You want me to call you dear? Don't shoot from the back, come take me from the rear. Kurdistan, almost the land of the beautiful places, and the big one be as God is holding cases. Don't just sit at home, don't be a lazy guy. She got no respect, man, tell her bye. Cause believe me bro, you have a heart of an ocean. Don't let the leader be your worst emotion. You know why? Cause I have a heart of a titan. Listen to the words, you will find enlightenment. We don't care about the enemy, this is Nowruz. Now sit back and forget about the war. There's no words to express the way our joy. Don't make a sad face and listen to your boy, come on.